Hey guys, what is up? My name is Pavni and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today video is going to be super fun because me and my friend going to the Thai restaurant which we saw the other day. Me and my friend were going to Chai the other day and we have spotted this pretty place in ECR and we got that instant feeling like OMG, we need to come here at least for once. So yes, it's happening finally and we are going for that restaurant. So yes, let's start our little get ready with me. Sit back, relax and stay with me till the end. If you enjoy videos like this, please share, like and subscribe to my channel. So today GRWM will be special because I'm mostly using Judio beauty products for my makeup today. And yes, I have recently purchased them and I cannot wait to try them. So first things first, I'm using CeraVe moisturizing lotion to hydrate myself, and I'm not using this from Zudio. But today I'm skipping concealer and color corrector because I'm going in with skin tint only, which is from Zudio, and it cost is 199 rupees only. I didn't go with foundation stick from Zudio because it was like a 299 rupees, and most thing is I didn't find my perfect shade, and I can mix it up with a dark color. I thought it is more costly, so I just picked this skin tint which is exactly my shade. I have applied this skin tint and it is kind of too oily. I'm suggesting for oily skin people they should not go with this skin tint because it is too oily on the face. My skin is dry and you can see that oiliness in my face. So I'm just cancelling out this oiliness from my face by using the powder. So I'm just setting this with powder and the shade is very perfect to me, but the only thing is it is too oily. For combination skin as well, it will be more oily they'll be on their face. So I have given blush which is from Zudio only. When I saw this in store, I was like, you're coming home with me, and it was like very good. You can see it in my face. Now I'm not going to give highlighter, I'm just going to give this cheek gloss. When I saw this in store, I was like, I will not be missing you, dear. You can literally see that glow. It is like OMG, I love this very much. The only disappointment with these products is these are not long lasting. I need to just reapply throughout the day, so that is the only drawback. Now I'm going to start with my eyes, and I'm not giving too much, I'm just filling the gaps. Now I'm going to give kajal, which is from Zudio itself. OMG, the kajal is very good. I mean, you should buy it. I'm just going to give some glossy on my eyes. I don't know how it will be turning into, but anyway, I just wanted to go with minimal makeup, so that's why I have chosen this. You can see that shine on my eyes, as it will be like this. If you don't want this finishing, this kind of finishing, you can just skip this. I'm going to give lipstick. Before that, I'm just going to hydrate my lips. So I'm just using this lip liner from Swiss Beauty. After giving lip liner, I'm just using this lipstick for today's outfit, and I love this one. You tell me if you like this one or not. And this is also from Zudio. I love this lipstick. You can see the tint. So if you want this shade, means this shade is Warm Hugs from Zudio, and it is like OMG. This is my makeup for today's dinner, and So this is my makeup for today's dinner, and yes, I love this one. And please let me know in the comments how you like this. And now I'm going to wear my accessories, earrings, chain, and all. So let's wait for it. I found these cute earrings from Zudio, and the cost is like 149 rupees, and these are all like coming with 6 pairs of earrings. And I always like wanted to experiment with my earrings, and those, so that's why I have chosen this. And this pretty chain, I found it from Zudio itself, and it cost is 149 rupees. And yeah, I like this one. So I don't know if it is goes with this outfit or not. I'm just using this one. So for hair, I'm just thinking like how I should do, but for now I'm just thinking to go with the natural. I just don't want to go with the very hues. I forgot to include this top as well. This is also from Zudio. I got this was like 599 rupees. So yeah guys, that's my minimal makeup dinner. Get ready with me by using only Zudio beauty products, and you just don't need to go with the expensive one. You can create with affordable products, and you just need to know what works for you. Now I'm off to the Thai restaurant, and I thought like to include that vlog in this video as well, but I was like thinking this video will be too long, so I'm just making it part 2 video. So if you don't want to miss that video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and comment down below your affordable makeup products, so I'd love to try them. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, be safe, take care, bye bye.